all the serums are top notch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. Today's video, we are going to be talking about 8 best serums for all skin types. So I'm going to be showing you guys 8 different face serums that is going to glow your skin, and they are all affordable, so you can simply pick any of these face serums for your skin. And if you're a beginner that wants to know why you need a face serum in your skincare routine and how to pick the best serum for your face, then you definitely want to keep on watching, because I'm going to be breaking that down in this video, and I'll be recommending the best face serums that is suitable for all skin types. So even if you have a dark skin, a fair skin, a chocolate skin, or caramel skin tone, you can get any of the serums and glow your skin. So let's jump right into it. A lot of people are using face serums just because their favorite influencer or skincare YouTuber is using one. Like, they don't even know what face serums are or what exactly they are meant to achieve with this face serum. So first things first, you want to know what exactly is a face serum. So what is a face serum? Face serums are light and easy to absorb liquids that contains unique skincare ingredients. Like, some of the serums are water-based, while some come in oil forms. So face serums have different benefits on the skin depending on the hero ingredient it's formulated with. So now, how do you apply your face serum? So when it comes to applying your face serum, you want to apply your face serum immediately after cleansing or toning your face. That way your serum will easily penetrate and absorb into your skin. So you definitely want to apply your serum on a clean face. Do not apply your serum on top of your face moisturizer or face cream. It's not going to work. You need to apply it immediately after you have washed your face and toned your face, okay? So your serums are meant to be applied 2 times a day, and that is in the morning and at night. So you can easily read the instructions on the body of the particular serum you got to see how to apply it. So now, how do you choose the right serum for your face? So if you want to choose the right serum for your face, you need to consider the following, and that is your skin concerns and your skin type. So if you're someone battling with acne, you want to look out for serums that contain active ingredients like salicylic acid, like it's going to help fight and get rid of your acne. So now let's take a look at my list of 8 best face serums for glowing skin. So the first best face serum on my list is vitamin C serum. Like, a lot of us know about vitamin C serum. Like, vitamin C serum is one of the most commonly used face serums for all skin types, and it actually helps to reduce facial redness, and it also helps to hydrate your dry skin and plump your skin. So vitamin C serum is a very nice serum that is going to brighten your skin and even out your skin tone. Like, it's a very nice face serum to use in your skincare routine, especially if you're someone battling with uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, or facial redness. Like, vitamin C serum is going to help calm and soothe your face and give you that glowing instant look on the skin. It's a really nice face serum to incorporate into your skincare routine. And some of my favorite vitamin C serums are the Pixi vitamin C serum. Like, this particular one contains ascorbic acid and ferulic acid, and those are the main ingredients in this vitamin C serum. So it's a very nice serum, and is going to help brighten your face and glow your complexion. I also love the Cerave vitamin C serum. Like, this particular vitamin C serum contains 3 essential ceramides and is very good for people with super sensitive skin. Like, it's so soothing on the skin and it's going to give you that glow effect on your face. So if you cannot afford to get any of this vitamin C serum, you can simply opt in for the Pei Mei vitamin C serum and the Dr. Rashel vitamin C serum. Like, these serums, they are affordable and super amazing. I also have a video on some of the best vitamin C serum that can be used on the face, so I'll link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can get to check that out. So your vitamin C serums are meant to be used in the morning and at night. So the second best face serum on my list is the Niacinamide serum. If you don't know, Niacinamide serum is the new trend. It's a very nice serum for people battling with acne. It's very lightweight and super gentle on the skin. And one thing I love about this Niacinamide serum is how effective it is when it comes to fading dark spots. Like, this Niacinamide serum is going to smoothen your face and get rid of your pores, textured skin, and acne on your face. Like, it's a very nice serum to use on your skin. And some of the best niacinamide serum I swear by is the ordinary niacinamide serum. Like, this particular niacinamide serum is going to smoothen your face, get rid of your dark spots and acne, and give you that smooth glowing face. Another niacinamide serum I love is the Natrium niacinamide serum. Like, this particular Natrium niacinamide serum, it contains 12% niacinamide and 2% zinc. It's going to help even out your skin, fade your dark spots, and give you that smooth shiny glow effect on the face. Like, this particular serum is super hydrating on the skin. I also love the Good Molecules niacinamide serum. Like, this particular serum is also effective and is going to give you that smooth, spotless, clear face. So it's a really nice serum to incorporate into your skincare routine if you're someone battling with acne and dark spots. So instead of using a harsh product on your face to clear your dark spots, you can simply get this niacinamide serum and get rid of your dark spots and also achieve a spotless glowing face. So the third serum on my list is the ordinary hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid serum is one of the best serums to use on your face if you want a glowing skin. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion. So even if you're dark, fair, caramel, chocolate, you can basically use this serum on your face to protect your skin barrier and also achieve a plump, glowing skin. So the fourth best face serum on my list is the Cerave resurfacing retinol serum. This particular serum is a serum for people with oily, acne, dry, and sensitive skin types. It's a very nice serum that will smoothen your textured skin, get rid of your acne and acne marks, reduce the appearance of pores on your face, and give you that smooth, glowing, healthy looking skin. One good thing about using retinol serum is the fact that it's an anti-aging serum. Like, the retinol content in it is going to help get rid of your fine lines, wrinkles, and prevent any form of aging signs on your skin. Very nice serum for all skin types, and is most advisable to use for those in their 20s. Like, this serum can be used 2 to 3 times a week. When using this particular serum, you want to make sure you're using a sunscreen, because this particular serum can make your skin feel sensitive to the sun. So the fifth best serum on my list is the Cosrx snail mucin serum. This is a must-have serum to use on your face. Like, if you have a dull skin, a dry skin, rough skin, dehydrated skin, or you're looking for a serum or skincare product that will repair your damaged skin barrier, then you should basically opt in for this Cosrx snail mucin serum, because it's not only going to help hydrate and get rid of your damaged skin, it's going to help get rid of your dark spots and acne marks on the skin. It's a very nice serum if you want to pamper your skin, achieve that smooth, bright and healthy glowing skin. Like, this serum is a must-have in your skincare routine. It's going to brighten your face and get rid of your dark spots, acne marks, and give you a spotless, healthy looking skin. So the 6th best serum on my list is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. Like, this particular serum is a very nice serum for those with oily and acne prone skin type. Like, it's a very nice serum when it comes to treating acne, getting rid of hyperpigmentations, and evening out your skin tone. Like, this particular serum contains tranexamic acid and niacinamide, which is very effective when it comes to treating dark spots, uneven skin tone, and acne on the skin. Like, this is going to tackle any form of stubborn acne or uneven skin tone on your skin. All you have to do is to apply the serum 2 times a day. Like, it's going to help hydrate your skin, get rid of your acne, and at the same time even out your skin tone. You're going to love the glow effect of the serum on your skin. So the 7th best serum on my list is the Cosrx Blackhead Power Liquid. If you want a serum that will clear your blackheads, smoothen your pores, and keep your acne or oily skin in check, then you should basically opt in for this particular Cosrx BHA serum. It's going to help smoothen your skin, clear out your blackheads and acne, while keeping your oily skin or acne prone skin in check. Like, it's a very nice serum that is going to give you a glow effect even if you have an oily skin. Like, you shouldn't be afraid of using this. It's going to help moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, and give you that spotless glowing skin. So the 8th best serum on my list is Faded Topicals. This particular serum comes in a tube form, but it's very amazing. It's very active. Like, this is a very nice serum to use for people with stubborn acne, pimples, dark spots. Like, this is going to help tackle your acne and dark spots. Like, it's going to clear your face, brighten up your face, and even out your skin tone. It's a very nice serum to use if you're battling with dark spots, uneven skin tone, or hyperpigmentation on your face. It's going to help get rid of that. It's going to smoothen your face and give you that spotless face. So all the serums that I've mentioned in this video, they are very effective and serve different functions. So you can choose to pair 1 or 2 of the serums in your skincare routine depending on your major skin concern. But you have to understand that there are some skincare ingredients that doesn't go together, so you need to avoid pairing any ingredients that doesn't go together in your skincare routine. So this will actually be a topic in another video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like. You know you want to subscribe, so subscribe for more skincare tips, and see you in my next video. Bye.